Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very beautiful bathroom design. And with that, I'll also give you the information about the price, stone name, and also the installation cost. So let's get started. This marble which you're seeing now is known as Panther Grey, and it's an imported marble and it's not from India. The prices of this marble is from 450 to 550 Indian rupees per square feet. And now the white marble you're seeing is white Vietnam marble. This is the Vietnam marble, and the prices of this starts from 200 Indian rupees and goes up to 1200 to 2000 Indian rupees. As you can see how this will look in your house if you have a combination of Panther Grey and white Vietnam marble. It'll look really beautiful. Now let us talk about the price. If you want something like this in your house, the price of this bathroom would come around 5000 rupees per square feet. For example, if the bathroom flooring is 100 square feet, then 100 into 5000 rupees. So guys, hope you liked my video, and if you did, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you all in my next video.